Most people get travel credit cards wrong by focusing only on points. They forget to consider perks, insurance, and flexibility. The TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Credit Card is designed to balance rewards with premium travel benefits. Today, I'll share my hands-on experience and what you should know before applying. The main feature of this card is its travel rewards. You earn 3 TD points per $1 spent on travel purchases, and 1 point per $1 on everything else. Points can be redeemed for travel through TD's platform at a 1:1 value, which is straightforward compared to other complex programs. Most people get this wrong by assuming redemption value is always higher elsewhere. It's often best to redeem within the card's native program for simplicity and full value. This card also includes premium travel perks, travel insurance, rental car coverage, and access to special offers. For example, you are covered for trip cancellation, flight delays, and lost baggage, which can save thousands if something goes wrong. Most people underestimate how valuable these protections are when traveling. The annual fee is $120, which is reasonable considering the benefits. If you are enrolled in TD's preferred banking or rewards programs, you could unlock additional points or fee waivers, increasing the overall value. One limitation is that points are most valuable when redeemed for travel. Cash redemption or gift cards offer lower value. So, if you don't travel often, this card may not be the best fit, but for frequent travelers, the combination of points and insurance makes it a strong option. In conclusion, the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Credit Card works best for those who value travel rewards and perks without the hassle of complicated programs. Most people get this wrong by ignoring insurance and flexibility. The card's extra protections can be a game changer for stress-free trips. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you travel smarter and maximize your rewards.